I've begged the doctor to do two things: drive my car and go snow skiing again.
Don is a real interesting person, and I've really enjoyed taking care of him. He's retired, but he is very active, very busy, involved in a lot of things, and he's got a special love for cars, taking care of cars, repairing cars, and especially Corvettes. And when I first saw him, he was having significant problems because of his knee.
The knee locked up on me in December of 15, and so at that point I went to talk to my general practitioner, which is Dr. Freeman, and who referred me to Dr. Brooks.
He was having difficulty doing the things he wanted to do. He couldn't get in and out of the car. He couldn't get under the car to work on it, and he was having difficulty walking. And so when we saw him, we took some x-rays and examined him, and we found out that he had severe osteoarthritis of his knee. He was bone on bone, and he was losing bone, in fact, in his knee.
He actually said, "Gee, Don, your knee is a mess." And so I said, "Well, gee, Doc, I know that." And so it's time to move forward. You know, I explained my history and my activity, and you know, both when I was younger as well as when I was growing up and later on in life. And so they said, "Well, you're a perfect candidate for a knee replacement."
And he really did well with the knee replacement surgery. That operation is not typically easy to get over, but he did very well.
Everything was explained to me from the beginning of the process through the entire process.
And I think he was just really committed, dedicated. He had a vision of what he wanted to be for the future, and he took all the steps necessary to accomplish that.
Forcing the candidates to get up right away and start your physical therapy as soon as you could possibly bear it was, I think, good in the long run.
Don did really well after surgery. He did what we asked. He did what we didn't ask sometimes. He went above and beyond in his physical therapy and his exercises, and it was just a pleasure to take care of.
Started thinking about it again when I retired, and I had a little bit of extra money in the toy fund, seeing that we were one, young, two, active, and still like to do a lot of traveling. We wanted to try to pick up an old hot rod and kind of relive some of those younger days. And yeah, Dr. Brooks has rebuilt me, you know, like a fine-tuned machine, I guess you could say.